Welcome back to Wicked F150. Today I was actually trying to bake the headlights again, and it just didn't work. Like, I followed instructions from what other people have done. Between 225 and 260 is the temperatures that I've seen. Watched 10 to 15 minutes, 4 or 5 times, and it'll pop loose. Which, I mean, it did. The sealant was able to pull away from the housing underneath here, but I could not get it apart. So I resealed the one headlight and just figured, screw it, I'll go ahead and just paint this chrome trim the whole way around, just like I did the tail lights. So I'm going to paint this and then tint the middle section. I taped off what I wanted, 800 sandpaper, scuffed up the lens of what I want to paint, and now I'm about to paint it. And it's done. So you can see it looks pretty good. I mean, I like it. You can see the whole trim is done. That was chrome. Now, I am going to take the tint that I got from Advanced and then respray the clear to still give it that darker appearance, but at least the chrome outside is gone and I don't have to worry about it. I did use just an enamel gloss black, 3 coats. Like I said, I sanded it with just 800 and then, you know, wipe it down, clean it back off, and then 3 coats of the gloss enamel. There you go. Let me know what you guys think. Well, at the end there, because I still got to tint it. We'll see that. Alright, so we got one done. The other one is currently drying the last coat of the tint. But there it is. The black outline, and then the clear is tinted. Well, the black is too. I didn't tape it off or nothing. My wife actually suggested taping off the black, but I didn't. I want the whole thing tinted. I wasn't gonna risk taping off freshly painted black, and then when I pull the tape off, it comes off. So didn't bother that. Just tinted the whole thing. But there's one. As you can see, it's starting to get a little dark out. This one should be dry enough to put on in probably another 10 minutes. But here is what I used. This is the enamel that I used. That's what I used on the front and the tail lights. This is the tint. Like I said, I just got it out of Advanced Auto. And then the rear, the cargo light, I actually redid that. If you can tell, it's definitely a lot blacker. That one, I just lightly sprayed some Plasti Dip over it before I put the tint on, and I think it came out pretty good. But let me know what you think. If you like it or not, or I just messed the whole truck up. Hopefully this will suffice my need to change the headlights instead of ending up having to save up for the Enzos. I like those better than the Morimotos. But if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Hope you all have a good holiday.